be part of your life. Love you always and forever. Yay!
Alright, thank you very much. Once again, once again, we have Tita Lovely at meron pa. Tawagin natin, we have Tito Andy. Palapakan natin.
Honour to take care of your entire theory, grow up and become God-centered and an amazing daughter and friend. We have spent many times and lots of enjoyable holidays together, with laughter and music, but put us all together as a family. We have shared and enjoyed many stories and memories together over the years, and I'm excited to continue this with you. As Hayes' godfather, I promise to be a constant source of love, support and guidance for Haley throughout her life. Like a ship crossing the oceans, there will be rough seas, calm seas, but as Haley's godfather, I will help her navigate those seas, if it's celebrating milestones or navigating issues in her life. I will be there for her to the best of my best abilities.
Thank you very much. Palapakan natin once again. And Tito Anthony. At syempre, this time, pakikitin natin sa mga kanino ang ating birthday celebrant. Eh, tawagin natin, we have Tito Rumiel. Palapakan natin.
Ay, di na kayo marutin. Di na marutin. Di na mabaksak ang front na camera na inay. Signal ka. Di na marutin.
Hello, wala ko rin saksak na. Wala siya nag-chat si ma'am, pagkatid ako sa mag-wish sa iyang birthday.
Tingnan ang pro.
Una, birthday mo ako, Kuya San. I know, magdako si baby with good guidance. Kailangan sa iyong mga po. Masa kami kaya sa mga sa branch. Balik siya, tinang sa mga before sa Suwana. And kailangan ko kay Kuya San sa mga outing na mo, nagkasabay man siya sa mga I know nga magdako si baby na kaya na kuhan with good guidance lang ito. And to baby, I pray na makuha na mo ang talent ni Mami o ang humor ni Papa.
Palapakan natin. Ano pala?
Ilaw kay wala naka-connect sa ano. Solar dahil lang gamit ani. Ay mo di. Wala naka-connect sa solar. Hindi nakadaog na yun.
Solar lang gamit. Solar lang gamit.
With grateful hearts, we would like to thank first our Almighty God for the beautiful, successful, and blessed christening of our baby HK. Thank you kaayo sa pagkahin o panahon na mag-anhi diri to celebrate your presence, love, prayers, and thoughtful gifts. Made this special day even more meaningful and unforgettable. We are truly blessed to have such wonderful people in our lives who support and love our baby HK. God bless you all and word. Thank you sa kindness and joy na i-share niyo sa among family. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Palapakan natin once again. Mami Hailey. And this time, ay sa lahat ng mga bisita, may isang katanungan na po ako. Gutom na po ba lahat? Yes or no? Yes. Okay.
This food and to behind the government prepared. May it nourish and strengthen us, just as your love continually sustains us Christian. As we eat and enjoy.
Thank you very much. Maraming salamat. Okay, sige. Bigay sa camera, mga sir. Ay sa camera, let me show your beautiful smile. 3, 2, 1, and smile.